Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, today we're going to do the unboxing of the glorious Model O-. This is the smaller brother of the Model O. And I got this at Micro Center, and lucky enough I reserved it because they have 6 of these in stock. But unfortunately, when I got there, this was pretty much the last one, and the seals on this has been tampered. When I was gonna get ready to pick it up for online store pickup, I literally lifted up like that and was really open. I was like, what the hell's going on? And I said, okay, this is one bad box. Maybe they have the 5 other left. Unfortunately, they couldn't find it. It looks like it's been stolen, making mistakes. I'm not gonna jump into that. So this is the glossy white version of the Model O-, and this weighs about 59 grams, which is awesome. Now again, I really want to try something different. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys. The EC2B, the Vita, really got me like a little bit disappointed because I had an issue with the left click. It was been defected with that left click I had. And also the side buttons were still a little bit mushy. I just couldn't go with it. And lucky enough, I had a friend of mine let me try the FK2. And I said, holy crap, I really like this mouse. And this mouse was like really, really small, but it was not the new FK2, like the Vita series that has a 3360. But then again, I did some research, and pretty much this is almost like the same size of it. It's not exactly, but it's, you know, around that ballpark. And I said to myself, let's give it a shot. So let's open this thing up. And lucky enough, we're gonna open up. So lucky enough, this is not the old packaging. It was the old one, you know, I had to be very careful because of this cable. But lucky enough, this is the new packaging, which is awesome. Of course, it has the nice power code as well. And of course, at the bottom, we're advertising from glorious products as well. You know, their keyboards, their wrist rests, their mouse pads, and also they sell their own different colors of power cord as well if you really want to. But lucky enough, the manager gave me $10 off, so I got this on a really good deal as well. And everything's working perfectly fine. The only thing we just got to see when I plug it in and test out on gaming to see the sensor doesn't go out of control. But really, I even did the shake test. You don't hear nothing. It's built solid. And we're going to stand by. I'm going to plug this thing in, and we're going to do a quick comparison with the O- and the original O. So let's get right to it. So there you go, a quick side-by-side comparison. I am going to give you guys a heads up. I am going to get the glossy black because that's the one I wanted. And it's so crazy because they was trying to steal this mouse, but it looked like they couldn't do it, or maybe they was almost going to get caught. That this part right here goes on the wire of the mouse that's close to the USB to connect it. They even ripped this thing off, which is nuts. So I am going to continue doing an unboxing, but when the real review comes, it's going to be the glossy black. That way you guys don't have to get confused. Any questions, you already know what to do. Comment, subscribe, please be safe. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.